how to make a vision board that actually works. Today, I am going to walk you through the remaking of my own vision board with new tips and techniques that I have learned from people like Natalie Ledwell from Mind Movies and Marissa Peer from Mindvalley. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create a vision board that actually works. So if you're excited, give me a thumbs up and let's get started. Hi, I'm Amanda Vandergulik, and I help you with entrepreneurship skills, positive abundance mindset skills, and with raising money smart kids. So if that's something that you're interested in, then make sure that you do subscribe and click that notification bell so that you're going to know the minute my next video comes out to help you with just that. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a vision board that actually works. Are you excited? So a year ago, I made this vision board, which you can see in this video here, and I walk you through exactly the positive affirmations that you need to use in your vision board, the kind of photos that you don't want to have on your vision board that are actually going to propel the things that you want to achieve in your life, and instead the kind of images that you do want to have on your vision board so that you're going to actually attract the things into your life that you actually intend to achieve. So what I've done is a year ago, I did the best that I could at that time, and it was amazing. But I've learned since then a couple of extra tips to do with Feng Shui and with neuro-linguistic programming that I'm adding to my vision board this year. So I'm going to show you. So let's take a look. You can see that over here is the board that I'm going to actually put my vision board on. It's this space right here. And as you can see, it's long, right? So I need to have a vision board that is long. Whereas in our old home, my vision board was across the top of my desk and I could have it landscape. So I needed to redo my vision board anyway. And that's why I thought it's the perfect time to redo it in a way that's actually going to make it work. All right, so let's turn back around to my vision board. So what I've done is I've removed all of the photos and the images and the positive affirmations from my original vision board, and I am rearranging them. I'm taking away anything that is no longer relevant or that I've achieved and I no longer need to work on. And I'm adding all the things that I'm still working on that are slowly coming together, but that I need to keep on focusing on. And I'm actually setting them up now in a different situation. So this is the vision board. And in the center here, you can see I have a special picture. This represents my inner peace. This is my happy place. So all of my pictures, just like in my previous video, are going to go around my inner peace with the intention that all of my dreams are going to continue to support and encourage to grow my inner peace. And then I have a bunch of these affirmations that we're going to put around the board once it's finished. So right now I'm using my inner peace just to hold all the tacks in place, and also, of course, all of my affirmations. So over here, you can see that I've actually organized all of my images into specific piles. So underneath here, I've already started to put this together. This is my health corner. Now, this is based on the Feng Shui principles that Marie Diamond from Mindvalley actually teaches. And it's using I think it's called Bendal vision board, but then making it connect with my personal vision board areas. So the way that this works is this is the north, this is the northwest, this is my west, this is my southwest, south, southeast, east, and my northeast. Now, you'll see in Bendal, sorry, I'm saying that word wrong. I know I am, but I'll put the link in the description below so that you can figure that out for yourself. And what it is you want to set your goals in the areas that are aligned with your compass directions. So there are general compass directions, and I'm going to use those to fill in the other missing areas on my vision board. And then Marie Diamond actually has a special app, which again, I'll put everything in the link below. You click on that and it'll take you to a page with everything listed out for you to make it easier so that you can make your own vision board that actually works. And then you're going to use your personal directions for your success direction, your health direction, your wisdom direction, your relationship direction, and then fill in the other areas with the general directions, okay, for like fame and career and abundance, those kind of things. So let's have a look at the different piles that I put together here. All right, so for me, for my personal direction, in the north, I actually don't have a personal direction that has specific meaning for me. So I'm actually going to use the general specific direction, which is career and success. So I'll be putting these kind of images in there. This, like I said, is my health area, which for me is my northeast. This area under here, again, I've only placed these temporarily so that I could work with them. This is my spirituality, my wisdom area, which for me is my northwest. Your area will be different. Then I've just put these piles here because I needed some room. So I have a couple of different piles here. I have a pile here for abundance. These are actually, have a look at this. So these are actually Canadian Tire money. So it's like a couple pennies here and there. It's not a huge amount. There's not actually a lot of actual money related to this, but it looks, so my brain will see this as abundance. And I got these at some seminar. They're like $1 million notes, clearly not real. But in my mind will see them as real. And I have it 3D on purpose, so it really feels like it's real. And these clips are just so that I can hook them onto the tacks in position when I have my money area, which I will be setting up over here. Over here rather, in my west direction, which is my money direction. So I'm going to put these ones over here in my money direction. And then up here, I'm actually going to take, these are my relationship photos and images, and these are going to go in my my southwest direction. There's myself and my wife on our wedding day. And so they will be over there. So my directions are already taken care of here. Let me just move this. So you can see I have my 4 personal directions set up now. Health, spirituality, and abundance, my money, career area, and my relationship area. And then I'm going to actually put in the other areas, the different things. So here, like I said, is where I'm going to put all the career focused things here. There's Jeff Walker, one of my mentors. This one is actually the area, the general area for abundance and success. And so I'm actually going to I have some checks here. This is a check I wrote to myself years ago. I was inspired by Jim Carrey and I wrote down $13 million to myself, and I just keep updating the years until it happens. And then these are some commission checks that I've had come through. So I'm putting them here, but also in this area, I'm also putting in donating, because abundance also applies to what you give back to the world. And Claire Wineland is somebody who completely inspired me, especially after my coma. And so I want to support her charity, Claire's Place Foundation, as well as a couple of other ones that really mean something to me personally. Then this is going to go up here in my south direction, which is actually, generally speaking, for fame. And so I've got a couple of different things here. I've got there. This was from a few different plays. Here I am over here. Let's see, in this little skirt. And I played in a chorus line. And this one was in Annie. I was Grace. So these are images that represent my fame and fortune, and also just being, I'm losing my words right now, but here's Vishen Lakhiani, here's Jeff Walker, and I've superimposed myself in these images to help my mind see myself as being the expert in this area. There's on Mindvalley stage and so on. So those are going to go up there. And then I have a space left over, and in that space is where I am going to put visions that I have for my future home. I have some photos here that I really love. Like, oh, look at this. This is a solarium. Isn't that beautiful? Where I can have my, there it is, my telescope. And then I also have a couple of extra images here for family and relationships, and they are going to go down here along with the money, because that is also the family relationships area. So this is how I am setting it up. All right, I'm going to get to work and set these up, and then I will show you the end result. Right, take a look at this. That is so much more organized than my original one from last year. So I've got my health over here, career and success, universe and abundance, wealth and prosperity, family and love, fame and fortune, giving and charity, and living in my Beautiful dream home. I absolutely love this. This makes me so happy. I can't wait to hang it up. I'll show you in a moment what it looks like. Here it is in my success corner of my house, my vision board. Oh, it makes me so happy. I love this so much. This is amazing. And that's how you make a vision board that actually works. So by putting it all in Feng Shui order, again, something I learned from Marie Diamond from the Mindvalley community. I'll leave a link again below for you so you can go check her out. The next step after creating your vision board, if you really want to take action and have your goals come true this year, then you need to take your vision board and make it so that you step into your vision board. And I'll show you how to do that with the software that I love using, which is from Mind Movies 4.0. And you can see how to create your own vision board, your own digital vision board that actually works with Mind Movies over here. I'll see you over here.